This is how you can 3D sculpt your portraits and bring your images to another level in few easy steps. We are going to enhance the light and the shadows in your images with a very powerful yet easy technique. Reshaping light and shadows is the secret sauce to give your images that magic 3D boost which will bring your images to life. Now let me delete my layers so I can show you how it's done. First of all, convert your image to a nice black and white image. I'm using the Muse Pro plugin for Photoshop, but you can use the editing technique of your preference. In my case, I choose the dark skin feature to enhance the skin and convert it to a proper monochrome image. Now, this is where the magic happens. Observation. Find the strategic light areas in your image. Do the same for the dark ones. We will enhance them in few seconds. I'm highlighting with the yellow color the light areas so you can see what I mean. Same way, I'm highlighting the dark areas with the purple color. Now pick the lasso tool with a nice feather and select light and dark areas. Use the lighten this and darken this feature accordingly. You need to light up the light areas and darken a bit the dark areas. This can be done in many ways, but we engineered the Muse plugin to create a nice and professional effect, as it's done in the old good darkroom, with the traditional manual dodge and burn technique. The beauty of this approach is that it allows the photographer to focus on his vision while literally painting with light. Just focus on the image, shape the light and shadow following your guts and your instinct. There is nothing closer to an analogic approach. Once you are done, you can easily darken the background of this image, enhance a bit the eyes with a traditional one-click dodge and burn, enhance the crispy texture of the photo, and much more. We brought traditional analogic approach to the digital world with Muse Pro plugin, which gives you back your freedom and the pleasure of photo editing. I'll leave the link in the description so you can try by yourself. If you have any questions, leave a comment.